Hi, I'm Charles Arconi, and M365 Admin Tools is my website. It's a place I keep a lot of tools that I use, scripts, information, because I do both technical pre-sales and deployment and design. So one of the tools I get asked a lot about is the Cloud Service Map tool. And by asked about, I get messages saying, what the hell is that for? So this is a pretty powerful little tool that I really like using a lot. I get called into sales calls, and customers either have AWS or they have GCP, Google Cloud Platform, or they have, most commonly for me, Azure. So this allows me to take an existing tool or product they're using in the cloud and find a competitive tool in one of the other clouds. And I'll show you. So we click on that. And if we're talking about a particular thing with a customer, like I'm just interested in databases, I can click databases and it'll slim down what's on the screen for me so I don't have to spend a bunch of time searching. Because if we uncheck that, you can see we've got everything on here, right? A lot. So messaging and integration, we can go click on that. I talk a lot about messaging with people. Actually, you know what? Let's do AI and machine learning, because this comes up a lot now. So in Azure, let's say someone's in Azure and they're looking around and they want to compare pricing and learn what's available in the other clouds. So I'll open this up and I'll say, okay, you've got, Mr. Customer, you've got Azure OpenAI service. Well, the competing product in AWS is Bedrock, or in GCP, it's Vertex AI or Gemini. I can click on the compare and get a little bit of information right here, very little. And if I want, I can say, well, let me send you a link on Bedrock, and I can highlight this link up here and send it to them. This is all the information in Amazon about Bedrock. Over in GCP, I can click on the Vertex. It'll open up a Google Cloud search for Gemini and their Google Cloud AI product. So it gives you specified, and the same thing over here as well. We can go to Azure. It'll actually bring up a Microsoft documentation around it. So pretty cool. This helps me to be, quick with answers and relevant information when I'm in a sales call with a customer. So that's what this is for. Not much else to it. You can get down to, like, if the customer is running EKS over in Amazon, I can type EKS, and that will really narrow down the field on what's available. Yeah. And then likewise, I could come over here to categories, and really this just equals these over here. It's the same thing. This is just kind of in your face. You can just see it all in one shot and just click on it to shrink it down. Okay, that's it. I hope this tool helps you out. There's a bunch more out here like this, and I'm going to do videos on how to use all of them so that you don't have to ask me questions. Okay, thanks. Bye.